So my Xbox doesn't turn on, as you can see. The light is orange, turns white for half a second, then goes back to orange. I have no idea. It'll stay on. Look how long it'll stay on for. Yep, see? If anybody has a fix for this, please. I'm not even in the United States, so it's going to be harder for me to fix this. So if anybody has some tricks, or I really appreciate it.